Alright, so it's been like 4 weeks and I finally got the time to do it. It's like 28 degrees out, snow everywhere. So I didn't film this part, but I just wanted to get some clips to show you how I did it. Basically, I ran it down all the way along here, through here with the coat hanger. Pulled it across. Ran it along with just the wires that are already here. See? Up here, I was gonna run it through there, but the wire was too short. So what I ended up doing was putting it up here. Basically, I brought it that way. And then I peeled it into the top right here. And then once it was here, I pulled. And then I brought it from along here all the way up here. And I just ran it through. So you actually do need to take this off to pull it and then run it right here so that you can go like this. And then I ran it up here, took this off. This was really hard. I had to use Vaseline, lubricant, everything. Coat hanger, ran it up here. And then this actually didn't go straight up here. I had to go like this and then like that. And this was actually, I wish it was longer because I had to keep playing with the slack over and over and over to make it be able to reach all the way to here.